Every person is born with Qi, a spiritual spark from the great Qi. This spark is unique and is often described as one's spiritual, double, personal God, or life force. It does not die with physical death in some traditional conceptions. It transcends as spiritual consciousness as a personal spirit. Qi is intimately involved in one's identity as preconceived through Igbo cosmic oath. The Qi in this context is known as our other self, the unseen companion that participates in your life, influencing the decisions, directs the trajectory of your life manifestations, and signs of Qi as a personal guide include intuition, inner promptings, dreams, frequent inner voices or inclinations. Many in the Igbo tradition interpret these as the inner movements of one's Qi-felt sense of something not right or right inside. Here we have moral tension and discomfort when acting against one's core or predestined path. Qi is counselor,